Today I'm doing a review of this gorgeous moon phases puzzle that I got from Etsy. It came beautifully wrapped in this cute little box and it comes with a little pouch, so that's great for storing and making sure all the pieces stay together. This also came with it, which is pretty awesome, and my kids had a great time shining a light through it and projecting the stars of Orion's belt onto the wall. And they actually did that with the moon phases as well, so this is not only fun but also extremely educational. One of the main reasons why I love this set is that it's Montessori inspired. It's made really well and it's a very hands-on way to teach kids about the changing phases of the moon. It led to lots of great discussions, and it was truly a great addition to our astronomy unit this year. My son thoroughly enjoyed this puzzle, and after my daughter watched him do it, she wanted to have a go at doing it as well. And she did really well and she loved it. So I would say that this is really great for toddlers and preschoolers, and I highly recommend it. This activity also actually inspired us to track the changes of the moon, and so I ended up creating a calendar, and my son was extremely happy about this. He would wake up before sunrise to check what phase the moon was in and then mark it with these moon stickers that I found online. So this is definitely a great puzzle, and if anyone's interested, I'll leave a link above and in the description box below.